This is one of my top things I wanted to do in Thailand. I know that's weird, but I'm so excited.
So today we're going to be taking an overnight train from Chiang Mai to Bangkok.
We leave at 5 p.m. and we don't get there until 6:15 a.m. So we'll be on the train for like 13 hours.
Oh, sorry. Take care. Next time. Got it. Right now we're just waiting for the boarding, or we're not really sure what's happening. We're just waiting around right now, but it's not supposed to leave until 5. Sorry.
Oh, hold on.
โปรดทราบท่านผู้โดยสารที่มีตั๋วเดินทางกับขบวนรถด่วนพิเศษขบวนที่14เที่ยวเวลา17 นาฬิกาสำหรับขบวนรถเที่ยวนี้ไม่มีตู้เสบียงจำหน่ายอาหารและเครื่องดื่มให้บริการทางบริษัทเราจะเตรียมซื้ออาหารและเครื่องดื่มของท่านไว้สำหรับรับประทานอาหารระหว่างการเดินทางด้วยครับขอบคุณครับ Unfortunately, it's specially prepared number 14 departure time at 5 p.m. Today don't have restaurant or dining time today. Passenger please rise up, food and refreshment before getting on the train. We apologize for any inconvenience. Thank you.
Yeah, so that second half was in English, but I still couldn't understand.
I didn't understand either.
I don't even know what we were saying. Oh, I was saying that we're just sitting out here because if we have to be on a small train for 13 hours, I'm not really interested in rushing onto the train, you know, so I think we'll have plenty of time on there. But I'm excited, and honestly, I can't wait to get on so I can eat my chips. I'm hungry. And I think that our cart is right next to the dining car, which makes me very happy.
Yeah. So I've already scouted out the carts. They each have numbers on them, and we found our number, which is number 2. And I walked into the room just to peek in for a little bit. But everything is super short. So.
No, we're just tall.
Alright, wish us luck.
I think it's time to get on.
Alright, Dyonna asked the ticket lady, just to make sure.
I'm going on a train!
There's our cart.
There you go.
Why are you whacking like that? This is us.
I know, so let you go first.
Oh.
Like what?
Ooh. Yeah, I thought I was gonna get stuck in the door.
Listen, they ain't gotta open 2 bunks. I'm gonna get claustrophobic.
Well, they're gonna have to.
Why?
You see how short this one is, or how wide it is? When they lift this up, then it becomes like that thing. Because it's slanted.
Yeah.
So first impressions?
It's tight like a toy guy.
Yeah, it's very tight.
Where are we gonna put these suitcases in these backpacks?
I don't know. I'm really glad that there's air conditioning.
You were coming back on it? Let me give you a tour. Done. Psych. Okay, so here is our berth, lower berth. here. Upper berth currently folded down, but once it's time, an attendant will come, put it up for us, and help us to get some comfy beds. Next you have our berths. It's like we have a sink in here, which is very nice. Comes with this awesome mirror. You can look at yourself, and some switches that I don't know what to go to, and I'm not gonna find out. They also give you this convenient hook so that you can hook things that need to be hooked. Because hooking is great. There's a net, which I have put my thing in, and a window so you can see who's walking past, and another window. That's it. We just pulled off.
And we're off. Should be a hell of a view.
Why? Why? Why?
We're gonna put the suitcase right there.
Why? So we're 21 minutes in and we've already eaten half the snacks.
You won't be starving.
Help us, Jesus.
But we have water though.
Help us. Oh yeah, the man came and gave us some water.
Got 2 bottles of water like this. And 50% of our snacks.
50%. And we only been 21 minutes.
And we have how many hours?
Only 13 hours to go. I told Lawrence to let me get more snacks at the grocery store. He's like, I think we have enough. So now his ass gonna be hungry. Drink your water, sweetie.
Maybe we'll stop on somewhere on the way.
I saw online that sometimes, like when they stop, the people come and walk the thing and try to get you to buy something. I don't know.
I'm gonna buy something.
You're gonna get off and the train gonna leave you.
Well,
Stay tuned to see if the train leaves Lawrence, if he gets off to buy some food.
That won't be funny.
To who?
To me. And to you.
Nah, I'll probably cry. I would say, run!
I'll meet you in Bangkok.
No, I'll hold my hand and you have to run and then grab my hand like in the movies.
Interesting.
Alright, we're stopping. Literally. The train is slowing down. So we've already stopped and it's only been 25 minutes.
We stopped in Lampung.
Lampung.
Lampung. You getting off?
Boy.
No, I said, are people getting off? I'm not
No,
getting
you said,
off.
are we getting off?
I didn't. I said, are people getting off?
Listen to the video.
I will listen to
You're
it.
hungry ass.
Look, we need food, okay? We gotta survive.
Stop. Hey, baby. Yeah. Sorry.
One added benefit of these train rides through Chiang Mai, or I mean through Thailand, is you get these amazing views of just the countryside, like the mountains of Chiang Mai. There's like these rice fields, and it's just really beautiful. And with this
view is good.
nice thing about today is since it's kind of like cloudy and rainy, you get these nice clouds over the mountain, which is really beautiful.
Only 1 hour in and we've already stopped again for the second time.
Yeah,
I told you that before we got on the train.
oh man, I could have got up and gone find a snack.
Bye. Get off now while it's
Alright,
hot.
we're moving again.
So that stop was 5 minutes.
So next stop, I have 5 minutes to go find us some snacks.
No, you don't. Actually.
Alright, let's go.
What's that? Is that chicken? Is that chicken?
What's that? Cod Kum Po. Cod Kum Po.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with don't try, cause
Stop and just ended it. So far, so good.
currently 6:20 and this is our third stop. You're supposed to run and get some food.
Here you go.
No. Stop. Did you see that dog?
Yeah. I had to try to jump on the train. They try to go to Bangkok.
We're in Kutan. Did you get this on?
Kuntan.
What did you just call?
Kuntan.
Kunta.
Kuntan.
Or Kunta.
This is me standing up straight. Okay, thank you.
New tour. We now have 2 beds. I have to go up top because you have a broke knee.
Oh, broken knee. Oh, could put our bags up
No,
there.
we couldn't because it was booked.
Oh. Well, now we can. Feels a lot more spacious now.
Okay, so it
Even though-
seems like they put a little cot on it. They give you a blanket and a pillow.
Like, what? It's like you're about to hit your head.
Because
Is it comfortable?
it's flat.
At least the sheets are clean. I have the bottom bunk.
Can I push buttons?
What button?
There's a light.
That's your night light?
Yeah.
And this says dimmer. I think you twist it.
Click that light.
Start turning. This one. Oop.
Turn it back on. I'm black.
Oh, more. I guess the speakers.
Don't turn it up.
Ooh, it's shaky up in here. Alright, got our bed set up. When do you want to go look for food?
Well, I have to pee, but I'm scared.
The guy who made the bed up said that he's gonna come back at 5 a.m. and knock on the door so he can come put the beds down.
Because the train is set to, I want to say land, but it's not land. Arrive
at 6:15.
At 6, yeah.
So yeah, I'm just gonna be chilling out here before we go get dinner at 7. It's like 6:30 right now.
I'm gonna be skin and bones by the time 7 came.
Alright, we'll show you what the food cart looks like. It's really shaky right now, so I'm trying to hold on. You sleep good tonight?
I don't know. Might throw up on your head.
Ew. Alright, this is the bathroom. It smells really bad in here. And for some reason they have a shower. Alright, 2 hours in, and we've made our 4th stop.
So far, we've been sitting here for 5 minutes.
We've been contemplating whether or not we should go out and look for food at the food cart.
I think that's the dinner car.
The dinner cart.
Car.
The dinner car. But yeah, I'm pretty hungry. We'll do this.
Hello, hungry. I'm Dyonna. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Dyonna. I'm starving.
I thought you were hungry.
No, now I'm starving.
Hello, starving. I'm still Dyonna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Dyonna.
I really don't know. That's just the... I don't like it.
That's second class.
Exactly.
So go past second class?
No, I don't know. All you get is this tea kettle. Baby, I don't think we're supposed to go in there. Isn't it locked?
I don't know how it works.
I'm gonna just starve. I'm just gonna.
Baby, we could go that way. Which way is the front of the train?
That I don't know. Baby, let's just starve. We just go drink water. We're fasting.
Hey, let me look up what cart the food cart is on. Alright, so after 2 attempts trying to find the food cart, we
quit. Because we didn't go all the way. We got to the section that has just chairs and we were like, what the heck, is this the end? And then we just looked at each other and we both just turned around and walked back.
Yeah, because from what I read online, they said that you pass the first class, pass the second class, like there's like 3 second classes or something like that, and then there's supposed to be a seated class, which is the 3rd class, and then you get the food cart. But when we walked all the way over there, we didn't see anything, so we just turned around and came back. But I think if we just walked, or Dyonna said if we would just walked one more cart.
I feel like there might have been, because you said it's after the seated class.
Yeah.
Which is where we stopped,
Yeah.
at the seated class.
Yeah, we didn't walk past the seated class. So we're contemplating. No, we're contemplating whether or not we can survive off of.
We can survive. Just go to bed early, drink water.
So we have that. We have these mango snacks right here. What else?
Pistachios.
Here, you grab it. crab chips that I didn't try before. Pistachios.
And a granola bar.
So this is what we have to survive off of if we don't go find the food cart.
You're on your own, buddy.
Why?
I don't want to go.
So you have to go by myself?
No, I
Wait.
want you to stay here with me and starve.
I mean,
This is a
we
good
could
snack.
we could survive off of this.
We definitely could.
But is this dinner though? I feel like
When you push the call button.
yeah, that's another thing we read. They said that if you're in the first class, you can have what do they call it? Like an attendant. An attendant take your food order. I'm not sure how that
Why
works.
don't we just... I want to quit. I'm telling you, I do.
All right, look, there's this call button right here.
No, that's not pushing. That's just so bougie. Did you see how unhappy he was to make the beds?
No, he had a mask on.
He's like... like, you see him knock on the door? Next door, he was like... Cobb. Bed.
My man's tired.
Yeah, he tired of us.
All right, we're gonna try it.
If he seemed nice, I would be more.
All right, let's try it one last time. We're gonna walk past
Maybe.
the seated cart, and if it's not there, then
Baby,
we just gonna
I
survive.
don't want to.
You don't want to?
No.
All right, you want to do rock paper scissors?
No, I just want to ask somebody.
Who?
The man. We can just go ask the man right there if there's food cart.
Okay, I will do that. And what if he says no, but I can take your order?
Then take my order.
Okay.
The heck?
All
We
right.
got money.
All right, so what we're gonna do?
All right, you ask him. I'm gonna stay
What?
here.
What the heck? Look at this fool.
I asked somebody if there was food on the train. They said no food. You need to eat something? Like she's gonna give me some of her food, but
Yeah,
I
she
told
was
her we
nice.
had some snacks, so she said okay.
I guess we're gonna ration our snacks until 6 a.m.
If we eat one dehydrated fruit an hour, we can make it. I'm about to eat all this. And then go to sleep, drink water, wake up. 5 a.m. they wake us up anyway. We be there, get off, go eat.
Well, at least I guess one good thing is like Bangkok has a lot of nice restaurants. So if we get but they don't open
They don't
early.
open at all. That's why I was shaking my head. McDonald's, 24 hours.
All right.
But you know a lot of the McDonald's in Bangkok was closed.
Oh dang.
7-Eleven. 7-Eleven's always open. I'm just saying they got sandwiches.
Moral of the
Muffins.
story.
Bring food.
Yeah, if you're coming on these trains, make sure you have like a Subway sandwich or something, just to be safe. Luckily, this is just an overnight train, so we can just go to sleep and.
I'm glad this ain't the day train. I've been pissed. I would have
Oh
been
my
so
gosh.
grumpy.
What?
We know better, though. That's the
know.
thing. Like, we know better.
But
Played yourself.
It could have been worse. At least we have snacks, so
At least we ate breakfast.
yeah. Yep.
Played yourself.
I'll just chill out here, watch some
Time to
Netflix,
ration.
eat some snacks, and yeah. Wish us luck. We'll see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Unless I'm skin and bone. 5:50 a.m.
Yeah. The guy just came in and made up our bed or converted it into a seat. I think we're about 45 minutes out.
It's supposed to be there at 6:15.
Yeah, and it's 5:30 now. Right?
5:50.
Oh. So then 35 minutes out.
25 minutes
out. I can't do math.
We still don't have a place to stay in Bangkok, so currently trying to book a room.
But good news is I'm not starving right now, but
Me either.
I can eat. Just made another stop.
Oh my gosh, I counted 10 stops before I went to sleep.
Yeah, it was a rough night.
One more stop to go. How did you sleep last night?
A lot of off and on. At first I was paranoid that the bed was gonna collapse and smack me in the face. And then every 5 minutes, as soon as I fall asleep, I just hear like a loud rattling sound outside. Oh yeah. I think ever so often I'll sleep for like an hour, then I'll wake up, and I'll sleep for another hour, and I'll wake up again.
I was too cold to sleep. I couldn't sleep. I was frozen.
Yeah, I was frozen too.
Up there it's way colder than down here.
Because I didn't have this on at first, and then later I grabbed it and I put it on, and I was still cold because I have these thin shorts on. So I grabbed the
I was frozen.
covers and I folded it in half so it'd be thicker.
I was frozen. I didn't go to sleep until about 4 a.m. when I came down to Lawrence's bunk to sleep with him because I was so cold. So overall, cleanliness,
Yeah, it's pretty clean.
I would give it a good solid 8, which is good for a train. The bathroom brings it down to an 8. Okay, the bathroom is gross. It stinks. There's water everywhere, and it's just not it.
It's not a good time there.
Yeah. Everything else has been good. I think our experience has been decent, and next time we know to wear really thick clothes, or bring some blankets, and bring more food so we don't starve.
Yeah, exactly. If you check those 3 boxes off, I think you should be good. Alright, we finally made it to Bangkok. The train ride wasn't that rough actually. Overall we had a good experience.
I would do it again.
Yeah, definitely. So right now we're about to hop on the train,
The MRT.
over to our hotel.
Alright, so if you like this video, make sure you
Like,
and
comment,
and
subscribe.
and don't forget
To put on those push notifications so that way you get notified each time we put out a new video.
And as always,
Thanks for doing life with us.